Hello friends. Today topic database. A database is an organized collection of data so that it can be easily accessed and managed. Database handler creates a database in such a way that only one set of software program provides access of data to all the users. The main purpose of the database is to operate a large amount of information by storing, retrieving, and managing data. There are many dynamic websites on the World Wide Web nowadays which are handled through databases. For example, a model that checks the availability of rooms in the hotel. It is an example of a dynamic website that uses a database. There are many databases available like MySQL, Sybase, Oracle, Informix, SQL Server, etc. Modern databases are managed by the Database Management System. SQL language is used to operate on the data stored in a database. SQL depends on relational algebra and tuple relational calculus. There are many types of databases. First one, centralized database. It is the type of database that stores data at a centralized database system. It comforts the users to access the stored data from different locations through several applications. These applications contain the authentication process to let users access data securely. An example of a centralized database can be Central Library that carries a central database of each library in a college or university. Distributed database. Unlike a centralized database system, in distributed systems, data is distributed among different database systems of an organization. These database systems are connected via communication links. Such links help the end users to access the data easily. Examples of distributed databases are Apache, HBase, etc. Relational database. This database is based on the relational data model, which stores data in the form of row and columns and together form a table. A relational database uses SQL for storing, manipulating, as well as maintaining the data. Each table in the database carries a key that makes the data unique from others. Example of relational databases are MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle. Cloud database, a type of database where data is stored in a virtual environment and executes over the cloud computing platform. It provides users with various cloud computing services for accessing the database. There are numerous cloud platforms, but the best options are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, Google Cloud SQL, and so on. Object-oriented database. The type of database that uses the object-based data model approach for storing data in the database system. The data is represented and stored as objects which are similar to the objects used in the object-oriented programming language. Hierarchical databases. It is the type of database that stores data in the form of parent-children's relationship model. Here, it organizes data in a tree structure model. Data gets stored in the form of records that are connected via links. Each child record in the tree will contain only one parent, and each parent record can have multiple child records. At the last one, it's a network database. It is a database that typically follows the network data model. Here, the representation of data is in the form of nodes connected via links between them. Unlike the hierarchical database, it allows each record to have multiple children and parent nodes to form a generalized graph structure. Thank you.